This week, when Saints go marching, there is a certain type of bacteria that is deadly to nearly half of the world's amphibians. Seasonal changes in temperature and climate seem to impact this bacteria's capacity to thrive. So, if scientists can better understand that correlation, then just maybe they can
find a way to help preserve the amphibian population a little bit more. It could really be helpful.
Samina Hanif is on a crusade to save the frogs.
It's a lot of fun, I will say. It is overwhelming at times, but it's a really cool project.
As Kirkus Summer Scholars, Samina and her lab partner Sarah Dingle, in partnership with Dr. Scott Greenhall, are applying the time-varying logistical growth equation to collected bacteria data. It's noble work on behalf of the frogs, and it could take them all the way to the European Congress of Mathematics in Spain to give a talk on their findings.
The academics was a huge reason why Siena was one of the top spots for me, and especially because it is also a smaller school, you really get that closer connection too. And it was within the clubs of Siena that I even ended up finding the research professors I work with.
Dr. Greenhall is overseeing 2 projects this summer, and both are at the intersection of math and science. Tabitha Henriquez is part of the other team, which is seeking a deeper understanding of why some disease strains become the season's dominant epidemic and others don't.
We're looking at chlamydia and how it can be seasonal. It's a lot of fun. I've met a lot of new people. They're really great, and getting to know professors has been a really awesome experience.
Each student working with Dr. Greenhall is gaining valuable experience in the many ways math can enhance scientific investigation, and it's not a lesson learned from a textbook.
You're able to really connect with your professor and connect with your project on a deeper level, actually be in the center of it rather than in a class. There's so many people.
Charlotte Lucier isn't spending her summer in a classroom either.
For me, I've always been kind of a hands-on learner.
The Summer Scholar is embedded in Albany's Pine Bush Preserve, studying large-scale insect declines with Dr. Mary Beth Colasveri. The collaborative study involves sampling insects across more than 100 sites in North America to determine which insect groups are in decline and the implications on their ecosystems.
I think it's a great learning experience. Being able to analyze those samples in a lab is pretty cool. I've really enjoyed that. All of this experience that I'm gaining in this research study is definitely going to benefit me with future careers.
This summer, nearly 100 Saints are engaged in more than 3 dozen Kirkus Summer Scholars research projects. Not all of them are focused on bugs or bacteria, but they all present challenges and a huge payoff.
Research can seem a little daunting at times, and you might seem a little hesitant, but go for it. It's so rewarding, it's so much fun. You meet a lot of great people and you get a lot of connections out of it, so I'd say it's definitely worth it and to do it.
Until next time, when Saints go marching.